Boss, 5 seconds. So, thank you so much, Aster and NXT, for joining us on our song. And dito kayo. Mix naman tayo. Ayan, mix lang. So, una nating tatanungin. Abante kayo? Yeah. Huwag kayong mahiya. Ano ba to? Hep hooray? Yes! Ang dami. Nagulat ba kayo, guys? Bigla silang pumasok. Lega ko talaga to. So, una nating tatanungin. Ang NXT, how's the experience and anong may share nyo as a trainee? Or introduce yourselves muna kasi hindi kayo nakapag-introduce kanina.
Hello, we are NXT! Hello po, my name is NXT Kyo.
Hey guys, I'm NXT Dan.
Hello everyone, it's NXT David!
Hello everyone, it's NXT Harvey.
Hello everyone, I am NXT Dan!
So yun, tapos na ba? Ay, sorry.
Hello po, my name is J po, NXT J! Good evening everyone, I'm NXT Zara!
So how's the experience so far? Anong nararamdaman nyo?
Very excited.
Very excited. A man of few words, grabe ba?
Sa isang word tayo. Ako paano? Awesome.
Beginning. Grateful.
Fabulous!
Magnificent!
Okay po.
Okay.
Happy po.
Okay, before anything else, i-promote nyo naman yung mga socials nyo and kung dapat ba nila kayong abangan.
Yes,
Kung
hello.
dapat abangan nila sa inyo.
Yes, thank you po Kuya Chris.
Kuya Chris!
Kuya Chris, 30 years old.
Yes po, you can follow us on our social media accounts. Just search NXT_official PH in all social media platform po. And you can search our individual accounts if you want to. Sorry, if you want to po. Just search NXT and then search the individual names that you want to search on different social media po.
Yes. Thank you so much, NXT. And